So guys, welcome back. On this episode, we are getting Chandler's little BMW all cleaned up and ready to go. So we are gonna do a full-on cleaning, right Bugs, of your car inside and out, and getting this thing back up and running and ready to go. Let's get to it. You can see this thing is dirty. It's been sitting in our storage shed. We have dirty gauges, dirty inside. Outside is dirty. I started wiping it down, but it needs a full-on cleaning. We got some lights that I had installed, some LEDs underneath and around. We need to get back and working, but for the most part, this thing just needs an overall cleaning. So we are gonna clean it up, charge it, repolish these headlights, and get everything back into working order. I'm gonna get most of the main dirt by just wiping. Most of it's just surface dust and dirt and different stuff, so we can get this all wiped off. We are gonna have some, oh, he wants to take it. Hey Chan, say hi to the camera. Hi. So we're gonna get a lot of this surface dust and dirt. Well, if I actually can get to it, if he doesn't push it away from me. So a lot of this stuff is surface dust. We're gonna get off, and then I'm also gonna wipe it and wash it. So maybe I'll wipe down the inside, but you can see as most of this stuff is just surface dust. We have some stickers that are coming off and stuff, but we can always get new stickers and stuff. But we're gonna get most of this dirt wiped off and cleaned up, and then we can start addressing the body and the little bit of damage that's on it. And that was from my nephew when he had it, and stuff like that. So we'll get this all cleaned up and get back to it. So we took the seat off. So this thing charges when you plug it in, it comes on, and this thing will say hi, Chandler. See your badger? Yeah, there you go. So we plug it in and everything comes on, and you're able to drive it with it, you know, plugged in. These come on. Turn the lights on, they kind of flicker on enough. And that's with the battery unhooked. So if we hook the battery back in, still does the same thing. If we unplug it, it dies. So the battery is bad. So we will need to pull this battery so we can see what we have. We're going to unhook it first too and unplug that. So we can get another one. I'll have to order it off Amazon or something and figure out what battery it is. But it shouldn't be too bad. And Chandler's got the camera. Yeah. Okay, Bugs. Okay, well, Chandler's asleep now, so we can actually work on this and get this clean to the point that we need to get it clean. As you can see, the seat, we can take the seat off. You can see how dirty it is in here, so we are going to clean this up, get all this inside cleaned up and wiped down, and then we're gonna actually attack the outside, clean up some of these scuff marks. We have the front windshield. You can see some scratches. We're gonna try to clean that up, and we're gonna get this ready to go. You saw us pull the battery out, and the battery is bad. So I am currently looking for a new battery. Amazon's got a few options, but I want to make sure we get the right one. And also, if we want to do the 24-volt conversion now, this might be the time to do it. But let's get to cleaning and brushing this down. So first, we're gonna brush all this stuff, get a lot of this loose stuff out and down. So in the bottom of this thing over here, there are some holes. So we are able to get some of this stuff out of the actual bin. The bottom of it, then we will spray a lot of this stuff down and start wiping it up. But we're gonna get all the loose stuff up and off and break all this stuff loose so that we can get it all out of here. Because we got some, this thing's gotten dusty. So let's break this loose and then we'll spray it down. So now that we have most of this stuff cleaned up, I'm gonna use just some glass cleaner and my microfibers to just kind of clean up the majority of the dirt on the inside. God, I love the smell of this glass cleaner. Since most of the dirt's been knocked off, this is just surface stuff. We want all this stuff to be as clean as possible for him, so he doesn't get anything dirty. Well, he will get this thing dirty, but I'm saying at least it won't start off dirty. So let's get this all wiped down. And we do have a couple stickers that we will need to replace, but that's, you know, we got some ideas for some new stickers. And that looks good. Let's get the seat cleaned up and back on and get that all screwed down. So now that we have that, we have some marks and dings on the side. As you can see, some stuff here. So I do have some mirror glaze fine cut cleaner and my little pad. I'm not gonna use the drill right now. I'm gonna just do this by hand. Because I don't think we need the drill right now. So I'm just gonna see what this will do. Little elbow grease on this. And as you can see, it's actually taking it all off. So that's cleaning up all our little mars and marks and dings, and not dings, but all the little marks in it. That is taking all that off. So we will continue that all over, just to get all the little marks off. So it's just like polishing a car, but this is plastic, so I guess you can't burn through the paint because it's plastic, but you can definitely burn the plastic. But I'm doing this by hand just to get the first kind of touch up on it done, because he's gonna run this sucker into a lot of walls and a lot of stuff, but I wanted to at least look the part before he goes crashing it. But let's do this to the whole thing and then we'll be back. So we are done polishing it. It's not 100%, but it definitely looks way better than what it did before. We are gonna hit it with some BMW Express Wax, and we're gonna go over the whole car, wipe it down, and then it will be, the body will be done. Gonna put a nice little coating on here of the speed wax just to help protect it. One more layer of protection for this thing, because it's gonna have grimy fingerprints on it. It's gonna have everything, because this is a kid's car. Okay, so one of our things that we do need to do is we do need to pop these wheels off. So these wheels actually just, I'm trying to look for my screwdriver here. They do just, I'm almost positive I had one off. I know these pop off because I popped them off. There they go. See? They pop off. These are extremely dirty as well. We will clean these up with our quick wax and our rag and our brush. But let's get them all off so that we can in turn clean all this up as well. This stuff really just needs to be wiped down. And then I was thinking at a later date, we are going to write Chandler's name in the brake. I think that would be really cool, little nice little touch to it. But let's get the rest of these wheels off and cleaned up so that we are starting fresh.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt